The sight of the strikingly colorful houses immediately sparks curiosity. Could this lively place be Portugal? But the real surprise is discovering it's actually Cijin, nestled in Kaohsiung.
Just off the coast of Kaohsiung's urban center, Cijin is a vibrant island easily reached by a quick ferry ride across the harbor.
Cijin is a lively island bursting with energy, best known for its bustling seafood markets. But beyond the fresh catches and ocean flavors, it offers breathtaking coastal scenery, a sandy beach perfect for unwinding, thrilling surfing opportunities, and intricate decorative arts adorning the coastline. History lingers in the air at Cijin Fort, adding a touch of the past to this vibrant seaside escape.
Cijin Fort, a historic site and free attraction, offers breathtaking views of Kaohsiung Harbor, the city skyline, Cijin Island, and the Taiwan Strait. Its true charm shines at sunset, making it a favorite scenic spot.